What's up, guys? Back here with the old XJ. Got a box in today. We're gonna see what we got in here. Pretty much tired of driving around. My headlights being all dim, so I know everybody's gonna say, oh, they're cheapies, but hey, I'm gonna give them a shot, see what they do. They're the Bear Claw Creed LEDs from Amazon. Shoot, they weren't that much. They don't look too bad. So that's what they look like. So I've heard some good things, some bad things. So I don't know. I guess I'll make a video of taking the old ones out there, them old ones. I can't see nothing. Might as well just have a flashlight taped to my front end. But I'm gonna get that taken off, get them swapped out. And oh yeah, picked up some new wheels for the XJ. They Mickey Thompsons, 15 by 10s. They need to be polished up a little bit. They real Mickey Thompsons. Only paid the guy 125 bucks for them, so I can't complain. Got a pretty big offset on them. Let's see if I can get that. You know, they stick out pretty far, so I'm pleased with them. So give me a couple minutes, I'll get ready to snatch these out, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, back. Let's get these off. So we're gonna pull the trim off real quick. These two bolts right up here, and just flip her out. And there's two little slots down here that line up. So that's it. And of course, if you were changing your blinkers, you change them now. Grab those two. So now we gotta get the chrome visible off of it. Pull this. 4 screws that holds them on. 1, 2. That was not even tight. 2. Both the ones on the bottom are fucking tight. That shit. Anyways. Get that off, take the bezel out, pull this headlight out. I don't know if y'all see it, all that water in there. So, the little 3-prong connector. Should just be pull her off. Stupid ground somebody had added. That's it, guys. Let me just throw the new one in there. So, I'm gonna go get the new one ready real quick. Alright, guys, I'm back. Get this guy ready to go in. So, comes with obviously a 3-pin connector, connects right there. But most complaints I've heard was, you know, they fill up with water. So I went ahead and went around them with some RTV, you know, of course left the vent hole open, so I don't know which way they're supposed to go, up, down, this way, I don't know. So I guess I'll go with the wire down at the bottom, see what the hell happens, and hope for the best. Should be pretty easy. Actually, hold on. Put some dielectric grease on there. Down here we stay in the swamps, you know, a lot of water riding. So that's it. I guess we just shove it back in there. I like to keep the plastic on so I can get the fucking dirty hands all over it. Something. Got a little stupid ring. Let's see. It does got a top and stupid bottom, so. Make sure you don't get the plastic all caught up. And then. Something like that, I guess. Thing is, gotta go the other way. Here's the water, huh? Look around, see if shit's in there a little bit better. I guess I get what I paid for, you know. Like this, and then it came back up on here. It's stupid. Fucking great idea, buy some $30 headlights. Right there. This one. There. Stupid things. All right. Oh, your bezel back on. Alright, there. I guess the key is now do a damn turn on. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Turn on. So I guess that's low beam. I don't know if y'all can tell that. Let me switch it to high beam. Low beam's just these bottom one and the middle one. I take it. That'd be high beam, man. That's pretty damn good to me. Shoot. Y'all tell me what y'all think. We got that one. We got that one. I know you probably can't tell, but let's see what we got over there. Nice bright light over to the left. Just a little dim one down here. So, not bad, not bad. We'll see how long they last. I'll let y'all know. I mean, they got them off Amazon. They were only $39, so I figured I'd give them a shot. But hopefully, you know, I'm digging these wheels out here. I know y'all can't see them, it's getting a little dark, but they look good. Can't believe the guy still let them go for 150. So, but anyways, guys, I'm about to finish up the other side. I ain't gonna bore y'all with the rest of the video, but I'm gonna finish up the other side, then head over to my buddy's house with the ZJ. He's talking about he's gonna weld up his rear end, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, I'll keep y'all posted. Hit that subscribe button, like it if you like it. I'll let y'all know how these things turn out, how long they last. But anyways, next video probably be welding up the old rear end on the ZJ. So anyways, oh yeah, y'all, make sure y'all do it for fucking Dale always. So y'all take it easy.